Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2012 ECE paper. The unilateral Laplace transform of f of t is given, that is 1 by s square plus s plus 1. Find the unilateral Laplace transform of t into f of t. Okay. The basic difference between unilateral and bilateral Laplace transform is in the integral. Okay. For unilateral Laplace transform, the integral starts from 0 and it ends with positive infinity, 0 to infinite integral limits. And for bilateral, that is two-sided Laplace transform, if you are going with, then the integral limits changes from minus infinity to infinity. And one more main difference between bilateral and unilateral, we no need to specify the region of convergence for unilateral, but it is a must for bilateral. So we must specify region of convergence for bilateral Laplace transform. We no need to specify region of convergence because the integral always yields a finite value in case of unilateral Laplace transform, but we don't know whether the integral is giving the finite value or infinite value. So if it is giving finite value, it is right, but most of the times it may give infinite value for in case of bilateral. So for bilateral, in which region the value is finite, that is where the integral is going to be existing over which values, that is what specified by the convergence. So in which region the integral will converge, that is what we call it as region of convergence. That is essential for bilateral, it is not essential for the unilateral. Okay, and most of the properties of Laplace transform are valid for both bilateral as well as unilateral. Okay, so now we know the Laplace transform property. Okay, so if f of t is having Laplace transform of f of s, then t into f of t can be obtained by negative differentiation of f of s with respect to s. So minus d by ds of f of s. So now we will calculate this one. Okay, we know f of s. F of s is given as 1 by s square plus s plus 1. So minus d by ds differentiation with respect to s for s square plus s plus 1. So this will be treated as 1 by x. So differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So this minus is as it is, and 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 by x square. So minus 1 by x square is s square plus 1 whole square into differentiation of x should be in the multiplication. So differentiation of x is nothing but 2s plus 1. S square differentiation is 2s, s differentiation is 1, 1 differentiation is 0. So this is what x value, and that x differentiation is 2s plus 1. So this is minus, and it is minus. Minus into minus, it will become plus. Okay, so plus 1 into 2s plus 1, it will be 2s plus 1 divided by s square plus s plus 1 whole square. And this is the Laplace transform of t into f of t. So t into f of t has a Laplace transform of 2s plus 1 by s square plus s plus 1 whole square. So the right answer for this question is D, 2s plus 1 by s square plus s plus 1 whole square. Thank you.